If I take you back to those early years, and it's been well documented what your father did once that job came for Rajasthan, what was that time like? What was that conversation like in your household?
It's like at the time I didn't remember quite, but I still remember that my father heard this news of this transfer to this thing. They did some dharnas and all, but it didn't work in our way. So we have to move, otherwise he's not going to be a government employee. So
And a government job is a big job, yeah.
Back at that days, you will be knowing that, I guess it's already 10-15 years, I guess, at the time.
Yeah.
Back at 10-15 years back. So the government job is like...
My father is from the government, so I know.
No one used to get that easily.
Yeah.
Government job. If they get, they will be like celebrating, like it's
I know.
permanent job, right? So back at days, everyone is like trying for the government job. At that time, my father left the government job for me.
Yeah.
So it's a big statement for me as well. Like,
how old were you at this time?
At that time, I guess approximately 11 or 12, I guess.
So were you able to sort of understand what was going on? Because just purely because of your age?
I was not able to understand that. Back at that time, I don't really know Hindi as well. So I went to tuitions.
In Rajasthan?
No, not in Rajasthan. If you are going to Rajasthan, so I have to get that Hindi.
Oh, you took Hindi tuition
I took Hindi tuitions, but after that my father resigned as well. But it was a pretty hard phase for our family as well. So he went into some couple of businesses and all, like investing money. But own friends got cheated on him. So it was a bit tough for us for the financial things and all. There was a stage that even for us, even for my father to take a cricket kit as not kit, like a bag, to buy a bat also, it was pretty tough. Thankfully my mama gifted me a bat, first bat of SS. That was pretty good bat.
Okay.
I scored almost all my runs with that bat only. So I really like that bat. I still have that bat with me. Yeah, that's my special.
How many tapes on it now?
A lot. If you see it, you won't recognize that. Is it a bat? You will ask me, is it a bat? Is it a bat?
How were you then motivating yourself? Because I'm sure you knew something was happening.
Yeah.
How were you getting motivated enough to go and spend time on the field? Or was that an escape for you? Yeah. In a sense, from what was happening at home?
Yeah. So at a time, there was like my own family, my own, like, not my cousins and all. Sorry. So there are my family and my relatives as well. So they humiliated my father as well, because at the time I was nothing. So they don't know how I'm going to make it out and all. So they didn't trusted me. So I would say my father trusted me first, that I'm going to make something big.
But when you talk about humiliation, it is more like what are you wasting your time for? What have you left your job for?
To my father. They are saying it for my father, like, see now how you are, before how you used to be, and you chose the wrong thing to do. It was a wrong call. You made a mistake and blah blah blah. Before they used to respect him when he got when he had that government job, and when he left this government job, things slowly started changing.
Yeah, it's a big.
So
big
you can
decision.
notice that at that time, like I noticed it, like people started like ignoring him or talking to him, like kind of stuff, and I was like, I got it at that time, and my father used to cry, my mom used to cry because of some things happening around us, and they actually tried to hide it from me, but I got to know that kitna din rukega, matlab.
सही बात.
I got to know that, but at the time I took the game serious, that they did a lot of sacrifice for me, and I don't know, but the impact is on them. They are suffering a lot. So if I make a better cricketer, a good cricketer, what my father did, this all sacrifice and all, that will be a game changer like that.
So you use that as the motivator.
Yeah, that's my biggest motivation, the relatives and all, the kind of words they used on my father. So that always pushed me, like no one has to humiliate my father again, like saying against me or like talking against him.
You know, like I can...
If I have to say, now they are like, the way I wanted him to respect it, it's like getting now. Like even though he's not having a job right now, they are getting respect because of the way I played and the way I played in IPL.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy. Like, what would a child expect? Like a son expects more than this. Like.